Today I'm going to talk to you about our products and also next year's growing. But before I do, I'm going to ask you to hit that little thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't already, share this video with your friends, and check us out on social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. You can find us all at the Mad Dog Chili Farm, and that would be much appreciated. We're getting a bit of a following now, so we're just trying to get our numbers boosted and make it all worthwhile, basically. So yeah, here's our products. This is the sauces, relishes, and a nice little lemon jam. This is the onion and chili relish, which that's just got habaneros in it. Onion and habaneros, a nice sweet chili relish. This is the next one up. That's got added Carolina Reapers. And then as a Brucey bonus, I've made this one, which has got the Carolina Reapers, which is the same as this one, but also Boot Jolokia, which is the ghost pepper. That's got an altogether different flavour. Although the base is the same, adding those extra chilies has given it, we call that one the fire starter. It's given it a little bit more heat, and also it has changed the flavour, but it's still very nice. This is Tina's favourite. She makes this one, the lemon chili jam. You can find all these products over on our Facebook page in the shop section. Now this here, Dancing Dragon, that seems to be going down very well. With a few of those in stock, and at the moment we've got one Tropical Thunder left. That is very nice. That is a very hot sauce. It's quite citrusy. It's got 7-pot yellows in it, golden raisins, pineapple, apple cider vinegar. It's quite a hot sauce, but with a very citrusy sort of flavour. Now at this time of year, the chilies aren't ripening so much, so what Tina's been doing is dehydrating the green chilies, and we can now offer a green chili powder. I think possibly flakes as well, but I know she's done a lot of green chili powder, and that's, well, it smells potent. We had a little bit in an omelette the other night, and we was a bit cautious and only put half a teaspoon in. I think we could probably up that a little bit, but then again, we're quite used to hot. So yeah, this is our range. I'll put there's a link below to our Facebook page where you can find all our products. If they're not in stock, we make them fresh, so you know you're getting a decent product. Now, the other subject I want to touch on, which basically is going to be for just our local followers that are close to us, either here in Bain or over near Ladinack. Next month, at the start of next month, I'll be putting in the order for our chili seeds for next year's growth, because we grow from seed every year, and then you know, hopefully, that you're going to get the chili plant that you want, and you're not going to get a chili plant seeds from a plant you had last year where there could be cross-pollination and that kind of thing. So we always start from scratch. Now I've been asked by a few people if we could grow some seeds for them. Basically, they don't want to buy a whole packet of seeds just for one plant. So what I propose is, if any of our local followers would like any chili plants grown from seed, now we grow them under grow lights with the heat, and we use canna start basically, which sort of gets them going, and we grow the plants to about, you know, until they're ready to move on. So I normally plant, sort of do them end of January, February time indoors, and so that way they're sort of ready for about, I don't know, end of April, May time. They can, you know, depending on the weather, they don't want to be going out in frost. If they're super hots, they take a bit of looking after. But so yeah, I'm gonna just put this video out to let you all know what the plan is. If you want any seeds growing, just let us know what variety of chili you'd like. If I can get hold of the seeds, fair enough. And what we plan to do is start them off in pots, probably go up to the next size pot, and then that'll be €2 a plant. So just aimed. That part of it is just aimed for our local followers, which I know we've got a few. It'll help you out and it'll help us out. So we've not gone through the list of what we're growing, but next year I think we will be doing Reapers, Boot Jalokias, because I think that's a favourite of mine and Tina's. Habaneros and Scotch bonnets again, but there's so many. If you want a variety, say if you want Trinidad Scorpions or chocolate Boot Jalokias or any kind of strain, let us know what you want, and I'll organise the seeds. So I'm gonna order the seeds in at the start of November, so you've got from now till then to order the seeds. I'll also put a post on the Facebook page, and you can either get in touch with me there or just leave us a comment on the video, and we'll take it from there, and hopefully it'll be happy growing. So that's about it. I've already done the bits at liking and commenting and subscribing at the start of the video. So yeah, from me and Tina, wherever she is, I think she's hoovering, it's bye for now.